Hey everyone, this is Pam from Kelly's Thoughts on Things, and I want to introduce you to Natural Rite's Muscle Honey. So this is a herbal athletic enhancement gel. Powerful herbs for powerful people. The pro athlete's secret. I like that. Do not eat. No, I don't plan to. So this is stuff that you would put on when you work out, go for a bike ride, go for a hike. It is, just you put on the body over areas that are to be exercised. And it also may be used for post workout for enhanced recovery, saying if you hurt yourself or something like that. So, this, I'm going to turn it around so we can see what's all in here. You see all that? And see all what it does? Amazing. I love the names. Okay, and then we also have some other ingredients. So this will help with tissue mending, increase muscle fiber, support of healing, flush the lactic acid, cramp relief, energy enhancement, joint support, circulation, physical support, pain relief. And these are the herbs that are in it. Okay? So, you can check out the review on the blog, and we will also have where you can buy in the description of the video. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye.